Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fish pie in Toca Boca. It's super fun and easy. First, you'll want to head over to the kitchen in your game. Once there, gather your main ingredients. You'll need 3 fish, 1 potato, and 1 milk carton. Don't forget to grab a cooking pot and a chopping board too. These are your key tools for culinary success. Now that you have all your items, let's get cooking. Take your 3 fish and place them on the chopping board to slice them into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Next, peel and chop your 1 potato into small cubes. Once both are prepared, combine the chopped fish and potato into a single mixing bowl. This step ensures everything is ready for the next exciting part of our recipe. All right, it's time to cook. Take your cooking pot and place it directly onto the stove. Carefully add the fish and potato mixture from your bowl into the pot. Then, pour in the entire 1 milk carton. This will give your fish pie a wonderfully creamy texture. Let it cook for just a short while until you see it transform into a delicious, bubbling pie. The aroma will be fantastic. Congratulations, your Toca Boca fish pie is ready. Carefully remove the hot pot from the stove. Now, you can serve your warm, delicious pie onto a plate. Don't forget to share your fantastic creation with your Toca Boca friends. They'll surely love it. Feel free to experiment with other ingredients in the game to invent even more unique and tasty dishes. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.